Hello, so we want to solve this simple quadratic equation to find the value of x. Right, so solution. So we'll be solving this using completing square method. Completing the square method. So this is the method I will be using to solve this. So from this, you have 6x squared plus 5x. So take this minus 4 to this side. You have what? 4. Right? Well, first of all, you have to bear this in mind. To solve using the completing the square method, you need to make sure that the value of your a is unity. When I say unity, I mean 1. So that the value of our a is 1. So how do you do that? You can actually divide through with 6. If we divide through with 6, you have this over 6, this over 6, this over 6. Right? So 6 divided by 6 will give you 1. You have x squared plus 5 over 6. Right? Equal to 4 over 6 is something as 2 over 3, right? Remember, you have your x here. Now we need to we want to take half of b. We want to take half of b and square it, then you add it in both sides, right? Remember that the general form of a quadratic equation is what? Let me write it here. Ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Meaning that whatever you have as a coefficient of in front of x squared with your a, in front of x is your b, then the constant is your c, then you now have 0. So from here, our b is what? You want to find half of b, which is 5 over 6 all over 2. And this actually means 5 over 6 divided by 2. It's still the same thing. All this is b divided by 2. You can write it this way. And mathematically, this actually means 5 over 6. You can take the reciprocal, and this will go down. You have 1 over 2. This is equal to what? 5 times 1 is 5. 6 times 2 will give you 12. So we'll be adding this in this both sides of the equation. Hence, you have, from this, you have x squared plus 5 over 6x. You add this plus 5 over 2. Remember, we are squaring. We are squaring it, remember. Right? So we are squaring this equal to 2 over 3 plus 5 over 12 power 2. Right? So from this left hand side of the equation, you want to take the terms that have square. You have x here, you have 5 over 12. You have x plus 5 over 12 all squared. From this, if we expand this, you get this, you get all these things. Then for this left-hand side, this right-hand side of the equation, you have 2 over 3 plus, this will give you 25, right? 25. This will give you 144. Abi? Yeah. So from these two, if you want to eliminate the square here, you do what? You take square root of both sides. If you take square root of both sides, you have x plus 5 over 12 equal to plus or minus 2 over 3 plus 25 over 144. Right? So you need to solve what we have inside this square root. Hence, you have x plus 5 over 12 equal to plus or minus From this, what is LCM of 3 and 144? 144. So 144 divided by 3, it will give you like either 48 or something. Let me be very sure. 144 divided by 3 will give you 48, right? So 48 times 2. 48 times 2 will give you 96. 96 plus 144 divided by 144 will give you 1. 1 times 25 will give you 25. Right? So 96 plus 25 will give you 121. Hence, we have x plus 5 over 12 equal to plus or minus 121 over 144. X plus 5 over 12 equal to plus or minus, the square root of 121 will give you what? It will give you 11, right? Y for 144 will give you 12. You bring this 5 over 12 to this side. You have x equal to minus 5 over 12 plus or minus 11 over 12. Right? This is equal to x equal to minus 5 plus or minus 11 all over 12. Because this is what they have in common. Right? So from this, it's either x is equal to minus 5 plus 11 over 12, which will give you what? X equal to 11 minus 5 will give you 6. 6 over 12 will give you what? 1 over 2. Or x is equal to what? Minus 5 minus 11 over 12. X is equal to minus 5 minus 11 will give you minus 17. But, no, sorry, it will give you minus 16 over 12. This is equal to, this will give you minus 8 and minus 8 and 6. You can actually divide further. Minus 4, 2. To give you 3, right? So the value of x is 1 over 2 or minus 4 over 3. Right? So let's actually solve using like a different method. Let's know if we get the same answer. If we get 1 over 2 or minus 4 over 3. So let's solve using the formula method. Formula method is what? So formula method. So, hope this is showing. Oh, yeah. So, formula method is x equal to what? Minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. What's our a? From there, a is what? 6. B is what? 5. And c is what? Minus 4. From this formula, we'll be plugging in the value of a, b, and c inside this formula and we simplify. That's all. Minus, what's our b? Our b is 5, plus or minus. B is 5 squared minus 4. A is what? 6. C is what? Minus 4. Right? All over 2 times a. X is equal to minus 5 plus or minus. So from this, minus times minus will give, this one will give you 25. Right? Minus times minus will give you plus. So 4 times 6 times 4. 4 times 6 times 4. It will give you 96. 96 over 12. X is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of what? Square root of 25 plus 96 will give you 121 all over 12. The square root of 121 is what? It's 11 minus 5 plus or minus 11 over what? 12. The LCM is what? Minus 5 plus or minus 11 over 12. You should get back to this point. So hence, x is equal to 1 over 2 or minus 4 over 3 using any of the method. So even if you solve using maybe factorization method, you still get the same thing. Right? As simple as that.